Now we know what our cause is, and for the persuasive essay, we know what we want the guests to do when they come to our party. They're going to donate money, they're going to donate time, they're going to do something, and we have planned for what they're going to do. Now, in addition to all of the regular guests that we have attending, let's say it's something that has to do with parents. We have a whole bunch of parents invited that are going to show up. But now we have our featured guests. We have those celebrity guests, our VIPs, and those will be the people who will be presenting our persuasive argument to the rest of the guests at the dinner party. You will be the host, and you will be fabulous. You will want to have one author, alive or dead. You can bring him back from the dead. This is a magical party. One historical figure, alive or dead. One musician, actor, or sports figure, alive, somebody that's alive. You can't have everybody dead at your dinner party. You have to have some people that are going to be presenting your material. And you're going to have one philosopher of some kind. And what you're going to want to do during the dinner party, each of these people are going to present parts of your persuasive support. Now remember, one of these people needs to be a doubter. Maybe they think that a different way should happen with all this stuff. And that is the person who you will need to make sure that the other guests and you persuade them to believe the way that you want them to believe. Let's say that I'm doing a dinner party about wanting to build a children's after-school program. And one of the figures that I have invited doubts that that's a good idea. They don't think it's a good idea. But the author who has written a documentary or written something like that that has to do with what the effects of this are, they convince that person. Let's say that the one person that's at the party, this historical is a broad umbrella. Let's say that we have a senator who comes to the party and they're not sure that it's worth the money to build this after-school facility for students. But these other people, the author persuades them, the musician persuades them, the philosopher talks about the philosophy of giving students something to do and how they learn. It could be a philosopher from today, a modern philosopher who has studied the effects of blah, blah, blah. And then there's you, and together you convince that one person. So this step is to find your VIP featured honored guests.